Hey guys, welcome back. We thought we'd take a little hike, a little walk with me and my sister. Taking the boys out for a little hike. Thought we'd take you along with us. Griffin, what are you doing? Oh, this kid. Now I'm a little jumpy because we're entering an area where there are badgers and badger dens, and while we're approaching it, Graham growls in my ear. This is new. Hey, it looks like we made it back just in time. It's really starting to rain, and I think the little human here has had enough of the rain and the walking. So I think that's going to be it for today. Hope you enjoyed our little trip. I know we did. Got a nice little workout in the rain. Got the boys outside on a beautiful fall day. Thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you soon.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye.